Hey everyone, it is that time again. It is Boxy Charms or Boxy Charms. It is my Boxy Luxe, and I'm really excited for December's Boxy Luxe. So let's check it out. I'm hoping to get good presents for myself because, Christmas time, and it's a nice way to treat myself. Also, you never know. All right, let's see what we got. Bubbles and Glitz. We have Iconic London face palette that retails at 55. We have a Sunday Riley Good Genes Lactic Acid Treatment. Ooh, I like the skincare stuff. That one retails at 85. Hip Dot, another eyeshadow palette by Hip Dot. I like my Hip Dot palette I have. So I'm excited to see these colors and see what this has. Today, this is not Hip Dot eyeshadow. I am Morphe eyeshadow today with Laura Geller lips. So the Hip Dot is $30. They have a Luxie glitter and gold brush set. Ooh, a brush set. This one retails for 85. Beauty Co. Original Glam Smile Kit. Ooh, it's a whitener for teeth. Retails at 89. A Billion Dollar Beauty. It's a beauty sponge. Retails at 15. Rockins Cosmetics gel pens. Ooh, I am looking forward to seeing what that is. It's an eyeliner. It's a gel eyeliner. Those retail for 40. And the Lifestyles Company Calming Temple Rub for 24. So this is a pretty expensive looking Boxy Luxe. You know I love my Boxy Luxe, so let's check it out. First thing up is our Hip Dots. I like the green. My last one had purple, so I'm thinking maybe the color of the box is telling you what to expect. Well, this is in here nice and tight. It's not squishing out. Seriously, it's not coming out. Come on. Yeah, the cosmetic sleeve is really tight. Oh, there we go. I'm not joking. This is not coming out, you guys. Oh, here we go. Good Lord. Whew. All right, so there's the Hip Dots. Oh my gosh. I have been wanting some good blues for my home palettes. I don't play with blue very often. For one, having a good palette of blue is hard. Oh my god, these are gorgeous. Ooh, I am excited. Oh yeah, I will be doing a review on these colors. Oh, they have my soul right now. I'm so excited. Blue is a tricky color. Super, super excited to try that out. Yeah. Okay, so we have Luxie. This, I think, is the brush set. It is faux leather. And, oh, nice amount of brushes. These are great. Oh, that feels really nice. Ooh, yeah. I never used Luxie brand brushes. This is pretty nice. Would be a good highlight brush. A little too soft for blush and stuff, but ooh, these are nice. These are nice. I'm looking forward to trying these. Yeah. Sweet. I am so excited. These are going to be fun. Cannot wait to play with these. Ooh, nice. Okay, so that's the Luxie brush set. All right, what else do we got? We have Iconic London. This is another palette. It's the Blaze Chaser Face palette. And so there's that. Ooh, it's a nice blush bronzer palette. These are nice colors. Um, Not really. I mean, the one color could be used for contour, but mainly it's a blush bronzer. I'm excited to try that one as well. Okay, we have Temple Rub, calming, 100% natural, cruelty-free. It has cold pressed almond oil and Prunus dulcis. So I think it's like smells a little mint and almond oil, and that is for calming on your temples. Oh, I know who to give this to. My sister Lily is going to get this one. She does meditation in the morning. She's really into yoga and health and stuff. She is going to love that. Stocking stuffer. We have a Brilliant Dollar Beauty Sponge. They send these frequently. I've gotten these before. So that is going to go into a prize or student kit or something like that. Rockin's Cosmetic Hot Mess Threesome. This is a black, blue, and green glitter gel eye pencil. Ooh, this is going to be fun. Alright, this is what they look like. So this is their case. This is what they look like. And it comes with 15% off of if you order through them. So these are supposed to be black glitter gel pens. I gotta open these. I gotta check this out. Sorry, my dog is wanting me to play fetch with her, so. Oh, wow. Look, that just like goes on ridiculously smooth. So you're definitely not gonna get like a sharp line with these, but and they smudge. So these are going to be smudgy blending like eyeliners or eyeshadows. Like a gel eyeshadow kind of creamy thing. Whoop. Gotta get this open. Boop, boop, boop. Ah, ah. It's sticking to me. Here. Here we go. And here is the green one. They go on so freaking creamy. So if you like cream shadows, I would say that is a good one to do. And here is the blue. This is very nice and dark. So black, green, and blue. Let's put those aside. I'm going to have to play with these. And then Good Genes all-in-one lactic acid treatments. Ooh, instantly plumps the look of fine lines, brightens the appearance of dark spots and discolorations, and plumps the look of fine lines and wrinkles in 3 minutes. Do you think it really works? Because I got some serious fine lines people. That's what happens when you're over 40. Ooh, lactic acid and licorice. I'm looking forward to trying this on myself. I will have to see if it actually does smooth all the fine lines, because I don't have a ton of lines up here and stuff, but I do have a nice little collection under my eyes now because, well, age. I don't mind it. I'm gonna have fun with that one too. Alright, next. Last but not least is the Butte Teeth Whitening Kit. Whoa. So this is the whole one. It's 1 to 2 shades lighter after each treatment. It has the LED light, so you put the gel into the tooth thing and then the LED light, it's all right there in your mouth and it brightens your teeth. I'm going to have to try it out because, I mean, my teeth don't look too bad, but we could always have whiter teeth. I'm just saying. Oh my gosh. I am really happy with this one's Luxe. I really am. I think this is good, and I'm really excited to see what the rest of you guys got. But I'm pretty happy and satisfied, and I've got some stocking stuffers and some nice little gifts for myself. So, woo! Happy December, Boxy Luxe. So, comment, like, subscribe. Let me know what you got in your Boxy Luxe, and I will talk to you guys later.